Daily Right Work.
Hello dear lovely students, welcome back to the channel. Now in this video we are going to study the speech on Republic Day. So now the students, let's begin. Republic Day speech. Good morning everyone, respected principal, teachers and my dear friends. At first, I wish you all a very happy Republic Day. Today is 26th January and we are celebrating Republic Day. Republic Day is a national festival of India. We celebrate this day with great joy and happiness. On this day, the Constitution of India came into force in 1950. The Constitution is the supreme law of India. Our Constitution was written by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. We should always respect our Constitution. Republic Day makes us realize the importance of democracy. Republic Day teaches us to live in peace, love, and unity. I'm proud to be an Indian and I love my country very much. Jai Hind. Dear students, if you like this video, then subscribe our Daily Right Work channel and thanks for watching this video.